Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are fine. Children, in that previous video we discussed that worksheet 1A problems, right? In this video we are going to discuss about that operations on rational numbers. Children, all we know about that operations on fractions. Okay, in that fractions and decimals, the previous classes we learned know how to add the two fractions, how to subtract the two fractions, and in the same way how to multiply and how to divide. And here come to that rational numbers. Here operations on rational numbers. Operations on rational numbers. Operations on rational numbers. So, four fundamental operations also we have to apply. See that first one is addition. Addition of rational numbers. Okay ma? Now here see that first one 1 by 3 plus 4 by 5. Children, we know that how to add two similar fractions, two like fractions, how to add we know that. So that's why here just to say that how to add two unlike rational numbers. Okay, two positive unlike rational numbers. What we can take ma here? First we need to take that LCM of denominators. 3 and 5, those two also. Here 3 and 5. These two numbers also prime numbers only. So how we can take that LCM? By taking the product. 3 into 5 is 15. We know that, right? Now here denominator is 15 and here the numerator is 1 into, here 3 is there, no? 3 into how much is equal to 15 ma? 3 5 is 15. Plus here numerator is 4 and the denominator is 5. 5 into how much is equal to 15? 5 3 is 15. Clear? After that 1 5 is 5 plus 4 3 is 12 by 15. 12 plus 5 is equals to 17 by 15. What is that answer ma here? Answer is 17 by 15. Okay. Once again check that. 1 into 5 is 5. 3 4 is 12. 12 plus 5 is equals to 17. 17 by 15. Understood? Yes. By taking that two positive rational numbers. If you will take that two negative rational numbers, then what you will get here? Minus 5 by 6 plus minus 2 by 3. How to add these two rational numbers ma? Again here find that LCM of, this is second example and this is first example. Okay, positive rational numbers and negative rational numbers. LCM of 6 and 3. We know that the greatest number is a multiple of that another number, then the LCM is that greatest number only, no? LCM properties ma, this all. We learnt in that previous classes, no ma? 3 and 6 LCM is 6. Now here the LCM is 6. Here what is the first numerator? That is minus 5. Okay. And here 6 is there, no? 6 into how much is equal to 6? 6 into 1. Plus of the second numerator is minus 2 into. Here 3 into how much is equal to 6 now? 3 to 6. Clear? Which is equals to minus 5 into 1 is minus 5. Plus into minus is minus 2 to 4 by 6. Which is equals to minus 5 minus 4, which is equals to minus 9 by 6. Understood ma? This is the addition of the two negative fractions and two positive fractions. Clear? Next fundamental operation is subtraction. What is that? Subtraction. How to subtract that two positive fractions? 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2. Here again LCM of 2 and 3 is, those two are prime numbers, no? Then the product is 2 3 6 only, no? That's why here LCM is also 6. Now here the LCM is 6 and here first numerator is 2. 2 multiplies here by 3 into how much is equal to 6 ma? 3 2 is 6 minus 1 into 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Clear? Yes. 2 2 is 4 minus 1 into 3 is equal to 3 by 6, which is equals to 1 by 6. How much? 4 minus 3 is 1 by 6. Am I clear to you? Yes. So what is that resultant here? 6. Here 3 2 6 only, no? That's why here the denominator is 6, which means LCM is 6. After that 2 2s 4, 4 minus 3 1s 3. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 and the denominator is 6. Finally, what is that resultant, ma? 1 by 6. And the second example is, if that those two are negative rational numbers, minus 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 2. Those two are negative rational numbers. Then here minus 2 by 3 minus of minus 1 by 2. Minus of minus 1 by 2. Children, here directly you can perform that minus into minus is equal to plus, or else by using the same method also you can apply here. Okay. Again say that what is the LCM here? LCM is 6. Why? Because 3 and 2 only, no? That's why here also 3 and 2, that's why 6 only. Now here the denominator is 6 and here minus 2 into 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Minus of minus 1 into 2 into how much is equal to 6? 3. Again same values only you will get, no, here, but minus only there. Minus 2 into 2 is equals to minus 4. Minus into minus is equal to plus. 1 into 3 is equal to 3 by 6, which is equals to minus 4 plus 3, which is equal to minus 1 by 6. Understood, ma? This is the subtraction of two negative rational numbers. Okay. And in the same way here, see that next one we are having that multiplication. What is that, ma? Next one we are having multiplication. Multiplication of two positive rational numbers. 2 by 3 into 4 by 5. Two positive rational numbers. How to multiply two positive rational numbers? Just like that, fractions only, no? By taking the product of numerators and by taking the product of denominators. 2 into 4, 3 into 5. 2 4s 8 by 3 5s 15. That's it. And in the same way, multiplication of two negative numbers, minus 2 by 3 into minus 4 by 5. Okay, multiplication of two negative numbers, again you will get it as positive only, no? That's why here again you will get it as the same value only. Minus 2 into minus 4 by 3 into 5. Then here minus into minus plus. 2 into 4 is equals to 8 by 3 5 is 15. Again you will get the same value here, which means here the product of two positive rational numbers is positive. The product of two negative rational numbers also positive only. Now here the product of one positive rational number and one negative rational number, then what you will get, ma? Again you will get it as a negative rational number. Numerators 2 into minus 4 by 3 into 5. Which is equals to 2 4s minus 8 by 3 5s 15. Answer same only, but here there is a difference in that sign, positive and negative. Understood, ma? So this is about that multiplication of rational numbers. Okay. Next one, division. What is that fourth fundamental operation, ma? Division. Division of two positive rational numbers. Division of two positive rational numbers. Then what will happen here? 2 by 3. The second fraction also, the second number is also, the denominator is also a fraction. Then what will happen? The fraction becomes reciprocal and division becomes multiplication. We learnt in that fractions topic, no? Why? Because here 2 by 3 whole by 5 by 6, no? Whole by 5 by 6, that's why. Understood, ma? In the denominator, if you are having that fraction, then the fraction become as a reciprocal and division become as multiplication. Okay. Now here, again same process just like that, multiplication only. Is there any cancellations possible, ma? Yes, see that 3 1s, 3 2s. Otherwise, any cancellations possible here? Not possible. Then do that simply multiplication. 2 into 2 by 1 into 5. Then what is that answer? 4 by 5. This is the division of two positive rational numbers. Now here the division of two negative rational numbers also positive only, no? Now again apply the same condition for that negative numbers. Then what will happen? Minus 2 by 3 whole by minus 5 by 6. Again same process, minus 2 by 3 and the division become as multiplication, and here the denominator fraction become as a reciprocal and minus, which is equals to minus 2 into 6 by 3 into minus 5. 3 ones, 3 twos. Minus 2 into 2 by 1 into minus 5. Minus 2 into 2 is equal to minus 4 by minus 5. Okay, and here numerator and denominator are having that same negative sign, no? That's why here those two also gets cancelled. Again you will get it as 4 by 5 as a positive rational number. Now here see that the division of the two negative rational numbers is also positive, you got it, right? Now here the division of one positive rational number and one negative rational number. One positive, one negative. Then what will happen? Here see that minus 2 by 3, directly I am writing this one as 6 by 5. 3 ones, 3 twos. Now here minus 2 into 2 by 1 into 5. Minus 2 into 2 is equal to minus 4 by 5. Which means here what we can say that the division of one negative rational number and one positive rational number is again negative rational number. Understood, ma? So this is about that 4 fundamental operations. Okay, on that rational numbers, both positive rational numbers and negative rational numbers. Now we are having that another concept, that is Bodmer's rule. What is that, ma? Bodmer's rule. Bodmer's rule, I think so you know about this one. See that Bodmer's rule means actually here BODMAS. Okay. Here B means what, ma? Brackets. B means brackets. And here O means of. D means division. Okay. M means here multiplication. Multiplication. And here A means addition. And in the same way S means subtraction. So this is the meaning of that Bodmer's rule. Okay, what about that Bodmer's rule? In that given question, first we have to observe that these 6 operations, what are those, ma? Brackets, of, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. First, which one we have to perform means first we have to simplify that the numbers which are there inside of the brackets. Brackets means here we can observe that this kind of brackets, parenthesis, okay, and in the same way square brackets also, flower brackets, parenthesis, and in the same way here square brackets. Okay, any kind of brackets. First we have to observe that inside of the brackets which numbers are there, first we have to simplify that. Inside of the brackets, what fundamental operation there, whatever it may be, first we have to simplify that brackets. After that, of. Of is nothing but multiplication. Of is also consider it as multiplication. After that, division we have to simplify. Division after multiplication. Multiplication after addition. Addition after subtraction. So in this way, this is that order of that simplification. Okay, so this order is called here Bodmer's rule. Understood, ma? One example I will tell you here. See that example here. 4 by 10 minus brackets of 8 and 4 by 5 divided by 5 and 1 by 4 minus 1 and 1 by 8. See children, what I told you that first one brackets. Okay, first which one we need to simplify? Brackets. 4 and 1 by 10 minus, see that here 2 brackets are there. One is square brackets, another one is a parenthesis. Okay, ma. Now here 2 brackets are there. No, first inside bracket we need to simplify that. Okay, 8 and 4 by 5 divided by, inside of that first bracket what values are there, those values first we have to simplify. Now see that here we can observe that mixed fractions. Mixed fractions we can convert into that improper fractions. How to convert, ma? 4 5s 20, 20 plus 1, 21 by 4. Minus 8 1s, 8 plus 1, 9 by 8. Okay. Now here 4 and 1 by 10 minus of 8 and 4 by 5 divided by, inside of the brackets, what is the LCM of 4 and 8? 8 is a multiple of 4 only, no? That's why here 8 is the LCM. And here 21 into 4 into how much is equals to 8 ma? 4 2's 8. Minus 9 into 8 into 1 is equals to 8. Brackets closed. Okay. From this one, 4 and 1 by 10 minus 8 and 4 by 5 divided by 21 2's 42 minus 9 1's 9 by 8. Okay ma? Again 4 and 1 by 10 minus 8 and 4 by 5 divided by 42 minus 9. How much you will get here? 30 minus 9 is equals to 21. 21 plus 2, 23 here. 23 by 8. Yes, of course. Sorry, 33 by 8. 40, no? 33 by 8. Okay, ma? 40 minus 9 is equals to 31. 31 plus 2 is equal to 33. Okay. So, 33 by 8. After this one, you will get here 4 and 1 by 10 minus of 8 and 4 by 5 divided by 33 by 8. Just remove the brackets here. After that, simplify this bracket. Inside of this bracket, what values are there here? Now, these values we need to simplify it, which is equals to 4 and 1 by 10 minus of, here minus is there, no? Yes, minus of 5 8's 40, 40 plus 4, 44 by 5 divided by 33 by 8. Okay, ma? Now, here 4 and 1 by 10 minus of 44 by 5. We know that the division of two fractions there means the second fraction become as a reciprocal and the division become as multiplication. Understood, ma? Now, any cancellations possible? Of course, cancellations are possible here. 11 4's, 11 3's divided by 11. Then here 11 4's 44, 11 3's 33. Okay. After that, 4 and 1 by 10 minus of 4 into 8 by 5 into 3. Any cancellations possible, ma? Not possible here. Okay. And finally, here 4 in 1 by 10 minus 4 8's 32 minus 5 3's 15. Clear? Now, here see that. Now, 4 and 1 by 10 minus, what is that value here? 32 by 15. 32 by 15. Now, this value also convert into that improper fraction. Then what you will get, ma? 10 4's 40 plus 1, 41 by 10 minus 32 by 15. What is the LCM of 10 and 15? 10 and 15 both also composite numbers only. Composite numbers means then here what is the LCM? 5 2's 10, 5 3's 15. Then 5 2's 10, 10 3's 30. Okay, ma? 5 into 2 into 3, which is equals to 30. Okay. Now, here LCM is 30 whole by 30. Now, here say that 41 into, here 10 into how much is equals to 30? 10 3's 30. Minus 32 into 15 into 2 is equals to 30. 41 3's here how much, ma? 3 and here 12. 123 minus 64 by 30. Understood? 123 minus 64. How much? 123 minus 64. Here 13 minus 4 is equals to how much, ma? 9. And here 11 minus 6 is equal to 5. Understood? Finally, here 59 by 30. What is that answer? 59 by 30. So, in this manner, first you have to simplify that given simplification by using that BODMAS rule. Understood, ma? This is concept 2. Okay. Related to this one, we are having that worksheet. We will discuss in that next video. Okay. Thank you all.